When you set your sights on digital transformation goals, it's more than just a plan. It affects your people, process, and technologies. Our role is to help you discover, design, and develop transformation towards Industry 4.0.
Every customer's journey is unique. In our OpreX consulting framework, we take the time to listen, really understand where you are today.
With our OpreX Smart Industry Assessment, program design, and implementation architecture, we guide your path forward to where you want to be tomorrow.
Yokogawa's hands-on diagnostics and deep insight makes the transition from strategy to action seamless.
Our offerings include a feasibility study where we help you see what's working, what could be better, and share a clear proposal with a detailed design roadmap that's fine-tuned to your plans in line with your objectives. With the right change management, the journey forward feels smoother, not heavier.
With Kaneka Singapore, for instance, we combined our technical proficiency with a deep commitment to delivering reliable, solution-focused outcomes. That partnership, built on trust and teamwork, delivered a measurable value to their transformation journey.
We know change can feel daunting, so we turn complex strategies into clear, manageable steps, supporting your people, process, and technologies every step of the way. Yokogawa's implementation capabilities turn challenges into measurable outcomes. Guided by Yokogawa's customer value tree, we support our customers' core day-to-day operations with the 7 key building blocks.
Where we blend the insight of consulting with the precision of engineering to bring deep IT/OT convergence and industrial expertise to every challenge, and combine a global perspective with a local touch.
From the first idea
to complete transformation,
we work hand in hand to bring sustainable value to you.